What does the passage suggest about global warming occurring today and that at the end of the Triassic period? Where do we have this reference? It is the first paragraph that has this reference, and it says that today's global warming is not the result of volcanism but the result of human activity. So we need to answer this question in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, similarity in the degree of severity. The passage makes no suggestion regarding the degree of severity of the two instances of global warming. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, demonstrate a natural phenomenon. According to the first paragraph, the Triassic period global warming was a result of volcanism, which was a natural phenomenon. But today's global warming is the result of human activity, which is not a natural phenomenon. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice C, indicate two worst events of mass extinction. The first paragraph says that the mass extinction in the Triassic period was not the worst of mass extinctions, and the passage makes no suggestion regarding how bad the extinction because of global warming today would be. So it cannot be established that these two events, global warming today and that at the end of Triassic period, indicate two worst events of mass extinction. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, impact on the Arctic permafrost. The third paragraph says that today's global warming is melting the Arctic permafrost, but the passage makes no suggestion regarding the impact of the Triassic period global warming on the Arctic permafrost. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice E, resulted from dissimilar causes. Yes, that is what the passage mentions in the first paragraph. It says that today's global warming is the result of human activity, whereas that in the Triassic period was a result of vast volcanism. So it can be inferred that these two events of global warming today and that in the Triassic period, resulted from dissimilar causes. E is the correct answer choice.